Never poach eggs this way again. Oh no, those eggs were so beautiful just now. Don't worry. Today, I'll show you a smart way to poach eggs. So, the egg whites are perfectly round and beautiful, neatly surrounding the yolk, and the yolk remains soft, creamy, and rich. Just looking at it makes you want to eat it right away. Before we begin, we need to clean these eggs. Chickens raised on farms often carry dirt, droppings, and harmful bacteria when they lay eggs. To clean them, prepare a large bowl and transfer all the eggs to it. After removing the eggs, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder or 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1 L of clean water. Soak the eggs for 3 minutes. After soaking, use a clean cloth to wipe the surface of the eggs. When a hen lays an egg, the egg must pass through a passage called the anus to be laid. The cloaca is also responsible for excretion. Therefore, dirt on the surface of the egg can stated include chicken droppings, feathers, and other contaminants. These contaminants, along with the adhesion of pathogenic microorganisms such as Escherichia, E. coli, and Salmonella, can pose a risk. Rinse again with clean water. After the first wash, the eggs were completely free of chicken droppings and dust. Rub gently with your hands, and then remove a plate. Look at these eggs after they've been cleaned, packaged, and brought to supermarkets for sale. Wait for them to drain. While waiting for the eggs to drain, place a pot on the stove and add about 1 liter of water. Cover the pot and turn on the stove. While waiting for the water to boil, prepare the plates and pour some water into them. Next, crack the eggs into a small bowl, doing so very gently to avoid breaking the yolks. When the water boils, open the lid and reduce the heat. The timing of adding the eggs is crucial when the water in the pot is no longer bubbling. Do this very gently to avoid breaking the yolks. During poaching, absolutely do not let the water boil vigorously, as the waves will cause the eggs to crack and lose their shape. Keeping the heat low allows the eggs to cook slowly. The egg whites will solidify softly while the yolks retain their shape inside. When the egg whites begin to solidify, I cover the pot and simmer for about 1 minute to get a smooth yolk, or 2 to 3 minutes if you prefer a firmer yolk but still want to retain its richness. When you open the lid, use a slotted spoon to gently remove the eggs, carefully patting them dry with a towel to avoid burns from the boiling water. Wow, the eggs look amazing and appetizing. The egg whites have solidified into a smooth layer, perfectly enveloping the golden yolks inside. The dish looks amazing. It's not only delicious, but also nutritious and suitable for the whole family, from children to adults. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Goodbye everyone, see you in the next videos on my channel. Please follow and like the video.